County in southeastern Texas, northeastern Brazoria County in southeastern Texas, southeastern Harris County in southeastern Texas until 11:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time.
New one.
At 10:59
They
a.m.
better
Central
issue a
Daylight
tour.
Time, severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Alvin to near Hillcrest to near Liverpool, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to
Nothing
roofs,
so far.
siding, and trees.
This is probably near
Locations
Pearland again.
impacted include southeastern Pearland, League City, Galveston
not
Causeway,
for-
Galveston
it's not for
Highland West End, Texas
Houston.
City,
Knew it.
Friendswood, Alvin, Dickinson, Lamarck, Santa Fe, southwestern Seabrook, Webster, Hitchcock, Manville, Kemah, southern Clear Lake,
Why not?
Nassau Bay, Danbury, Bayou Vista, and Iowa Colony. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
These didn't take ages to come.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms.
New one, and we're 5 away from
Spot a
200.
tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure.
I'm gonna look out for a
For your
possible
protection, move to an
tornado because
interior room
there's
on the lowest floor of a building.
ever so slight rotation. Oh wait.
Effect until 11:15